Hello my sweeties, how are you guys doing? As I have promised, here's the video of the eye look that I have created on my Instagram. Many of you have asked that how did I make a winged liner look with the coals from Blue Heaven Cosmetics, and previously I have only applied a sunscreen and nothing else, and to start off I have applied the concealer for the eye look to pop up, and later on I have used a setting powder to set the concealer in place. Then I took a brown shade and have used it as my transition shade, and also apply it to the lower lash line, and I have already reviewed these two coals on my Instagram. So let me give a brief introduction about these two coals. These two coals are from Blue Heaven, and these are the Blue Heaven Soft Kajal. You guys can use this kohl as a kajal and a liner as well. It comes along with a sharpener at the back side of it. So at first I have used the green one and drew a line to the center part of the lid, and use the blue one to draw the rest of the wing. And don't get worried about the edges, we will clean it with a concealer later on. As you can see, this kohl is creamy in texture, so it glides on the skin easily. This kohl is much waterproof, and this is highly pigmented. It is affordable in price too. It is a travel friendly product, and it is totally safe for sensitive eyes. And in the lower lash line I have applied the kohl in the reverse way. I have applied the blue soft kohl first, and then I have applied the green one. Blue Heaven is one of the most trusted Indian brands that everyone loves, and they surprises each time they launch a new product. Now I am coating my lashes. For the other eye I have used the same procedure. I applied the blue one to the halfway, and then I am using the green one and drew a wing out of it, and then I am applying the green one again to the lower lash line first, then I will apply the blue one. I purchased it from purple.com, and you can get it from online stores like Nykaa and from their website too. Now I am cleaning the edges using a concealer, else you can get it from the offline stores. So the eye look is completed. Now for the foundation, I have used the Wet n Wild foundation, and I haven't showed all the process in details. For setting the base, I have applied the Swiss Beauty primer and mattifying settings powder to my whole face. And for the lips, I have used the NY Bay matte lipstick in the shade 1. I have shown this lipstick too on my Instagram. And for the ones who are new to my channel, they can also follow me on Insta for more search contents. Then I have applied a blusher and highlighter on the regular points, and I did my eyebrows off camera. As I have mentioned, this video was more about the eye look using those two amazing coals from Blue Heaven Cosmetics, and this is my final look. I hope you have liked it, and for more such contents please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.